Hey man, what's going on? It's your brother Wasil Bay. Up at 1:36 in the morning, sipping on some tea, about to go to sleep. You know what I mean? We reserve all our rights, wave none. I wanted, just address a stupid person who used to say don't go into court and talk about federal law and all this old shit here. You know what I mean? Well, I have a book that begs to differ. You know, let's read it. Okay. While it's clear that state courts may hear federal law matters, absent a federal statute to the contrary, must state courts do so? So that's the question. Must state courts hear federal law claims? Let's find out, fellas. There is a strong, let me turn this up. There is a strong authority from the Supreme Court that state courts cannot discriminate against federal claims. You see that, right? Let's keep going. For example, a series of decisions arising under Federal Employees Liability Act, the court declared that state courts could not decline to hear the federal claims. Y'all see that? And Mundu versus New York, New Haven, HRR, the Supreme Court reversed a state court's refusal to hear a suit brought under the Federal Employees Liability Act. Okay? The court stated, we conclude that matters arising under the act in question may be enforced as of right in the courts of the states when their jurisdiction as prescribed by the local laws is adequate to the occasion. Likewise, in similar cases arising under the same act, the court stated the federal constitution prohibits state courts of general jurisdiction from refusing to do so solely because the suit is brought under a federal law. Do y'all see that? I want y'all to see that. Especially for the dumbass nigga that was talking about, don't go in there speaking the Constitution. Well, it says it right here. I put it in my paperwork and look, bam, I'm not on child support, fellas. What's up? A state may not discriminate against rights arising under federal laws. Look at that. Look at that. You see that shit? Likewise, Testa and Cat preclude state courts from discriminating against federal law claims. In Testa, the Rhode Island Supreme Court dismissed a claim filed under the Emergency Price Control Act, a statute that gave concurrent jurisdiction to the state and federal courts. The United States Supreme Court reversed the state court decision and held that state courts cannot refuse to hear federal claims, at least in circumstances where similar state law claims would be heard by state courts. All right. See what I mean? Fellas, we're going to go right here. Right here. Fellas, go read the Supremacy Clause. All right. And that's all I'm going to leave y'all for tonight or in this morning. Hey, man, hit us up. If not, go do some research on your own. Go read you some books and buy you some books. Stop listening to niggas who don't have books. All right? Stop it. You're not going to find everything off this internet. All right? So hit us up. Peace.